Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this stunning approved used Audi Q4 E-tron that comes dressed in the gorgeous Mythos black, sure to turn heads when on the road. You have an AC and DC charging access point on the right rear and an 11 kilowatt onboard charger for at home and on the go charging, all while standing on 20-inch alloy wheels with a 5V spoke design, making a bold statement with every turn. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the stylish leather upholstery, a centre armrest with 2 cup holders for those longer journeys, and the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. And as you can see, there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin, you have the 4-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. As you sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather upholstery, the iconic S-embossed logo and front centre armrest for extra support. Behind the wheel, you have the 4-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a variety of your favourite DAB radio stations, connection of your mobile phone device, and a wide view of the navigation map, so no need to take your eyes off the road. For added safety, the rear view camera helps to manoeuvre in those tight spaces with confidence and ease. For those who love to listen to their playlists, you'll absolutely love the Sonos sound system, giving crystal clear audio on every journey. The MMI multimedia display, going into phones for wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. In the car menu with charging, to take advantage of off-peak charging tariffs. Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode, such as dynamic for a more sporty drive or comfort for those longer journeys. Driver Assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations. And the navigation map to help you easily find your desired destination. Below, you have the climate control system, so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature regardless of the weather outside, with the added luxury of heated seats for those chillier mornings. Finished off with a sleek automatic gearbox and electric parking brake. Stay connected with 2 USB charging points and 2 handy cup holders. This approved used Audi Q4 e-tron is now available and on site. For more information, call our sales team today, who will be more than happy to help. Thank you.